Welcome to day 14 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be making the cape that is on your screen at the moment. It's the basic bodice block. As you can see, the neck area is already raised. I have attached a link to the video on how to make a raised neckline that is already on this page. All you need to do is click on it and it will take you to the page. So let's get started. This is our CB center back and this is our CF center front. We're going to start working with the center front first. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate this start to the waist area. So this is it for the front bodice. Next, spread a piece of paper like this. Our cape has a stand, so we're just going to mark 1 inch at this point of this paper for the stand, that is the button stand. This is our guide. So on this point here, we're going to place our center front to stop at exactly this line where the guide is, like this. Our CB is going to touch the end of the paper, but in whatever you do, ensure that the shoulders of this bodice block face each other like this. We're going to draw a straight line from the apex. Let it pass in between the bodice. This point where the shoulders are, you measure your long sleeve measurements kit. I'm going to use 14 here. This point here, that's from the shoulder tips. We then go on and mark 3 inches like this. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. Using a curve, connect from the shoulder point here to this 3 inches mark. You do the same thing to your back bodice. The distance between this shoulder tip and this shoulder tip is 1 inch. If you want it to be longer, you can go ahead and extend the length. If you're okay with this length, that is it. So you just go on using a curve and connect it with your back bodice. Here it is. I have gone ahead and created a curve that goes round like this. And I have also traced the entire bodice, the neckline and all. Next thing I'm going to do is I'll take it off, then go on and cut off the shape. And there you have it. Your cape pattern is ready. This is our front, this is the button stand, this is our back. You join them where necessary, and that is it. See you in the next tutorial.